Office in Sterling, Virginia, has issued a severe thunderstorm
Northeastern Washington County and North Central Maryland, North Central Maryland, Northeastern Berkeley County, and West
panhandle of West Virginia until 6 p.m.
At 5:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Williamsport, Oregon, 7 miles southwest of Hagerstown, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, was located over Williamsport, Oregon, 7 miles southwest of Hagerstown, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Localized power. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. And vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by down trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Hagerstown, Municipal Stadium, Robinwood, Paramount Long Meadow, Wilson Conical, Williamsport, Mount Etna, Mount Lena, San March, Long Meadow, St. James, Halfway, Margansville, Thunderstorm, Sterling Waters, Fairplay, Eastville, Warrenton, and Bridgeport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.